Welcome again to Secret Ingredient Cooking. Today is Thanksgiving Day. It's early, before dawn almost, and I am getting going on the stuffing here. What I've got is this nice herb mushroom leek stuffing, and we're going to be putting that together. What I started with was 2 cups of chopped celery and 2 cups of chopped leeks. And 1 pound of mushrooms. Put those in the skillet here with 1 stick of butter. We've been cooking those down, and I would say we are about ready for the next step, which consists of 3/4 cup of water and 5 bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon cubes. We have already added the sage and the poultry seasoning. 2 teaspoons poultry seasoning, 1 of sage. I'd also had some parsley in the skillet. And now we're going to let this cook a little bit. I've got the bread kind of drying out a little here. And this will go in that shortly. Let's see how we're doing. Well, got to get the bouillon cubes dissolved first, right? And then one other add is I have a small can of water chestnuts that are just going into the stuffing. Those give you a nice crunch. One thing about this is it's not a dry stuffing, so if you are putting it in the bird, it's not going to dry the bird out from the water, right? Very aromatic now, quite enjoyable to be cooking. And now I'm going to go to the next step, which is to combine things. Turn this heat off. We are now going to mix all this together till the bread kind of starts to dissolve. And then it is ready to go in the turkey, or cook it separately, or both. There's actually enough in this recipe to really kind of do both of those things. Mix, mix, mix. And I like to add a little pepper here, a little pepper. And then this being Thanksgiving, we're going to have an extra dose of the special ingredient, love. Because, you know, it's Thanksgiving, and if there's ever a day of cooking that has got the secret ingredient in it, that would be Thanksgiving. So, I hope you might like to give this a try. I think you'll like it. And one way or another, I'll see you on the flip burger side.